Hi, welcome to Eddie's Electri-City. Have you been ever wondered what powers those massive transformers? Let's break down the key parts. Super simple and quick. 1. Conservator tank. This is the conservator tank. It holds extra oil and allows it to expand when the transformer heats up. 2. Breather. The breather stops moisture from getting into the oil, keeping the transformer dry and safe. 3. Buchholz relay. If there's a fault inside, this device detects gas buildup and triggers an alarm to prevent major damage. 4. Radiator. Just like a car, the radiator cools down the transformer by releasing heat from the oil. 5. Transformer oil. Transformer oil insulates and cools the internal parts. It's like a protective bath for the transformer. 6. Transformer core. At the center, the core transfers energy between circuits using magnetic fields. 7. Transformer winding. These copper or aluminum coils carry electricity and change the voltage. 8. Explosion vent. If pressure builds up, the explosion vent releases it, preventing a blast. 9. Oil gauge. The oil gauge shows how much oil is inside. Low oil, big problem? 10. Thermometer. It measures temperature. Too hot means trouble. 11. Bushing. Bushings let power cables pass safely through the tank without short circuits. 12. Main tank. Finally, the main tank holds everything, protecting and cooling the transformer. That's the breakdown of transformer parts. Hit like if you learned something new and follow for more electrical insights.